girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Okay, so today we're gonna do the latte makeup. It's my niece's first birthday party, so let's get it poppin'. Okay, first things first, primer. I actually am already wearing the Physicians Formula Butter Glow because I always put it on after my sunblock. It's just kind of like, I don't even wanna see my skin without it anymore. And I already straightened my hair at level 1 out of 25 as usual. Oh my God, my poor eyes. When you're sleep deprived, it's just so easy to look toe up. Peach color corrector. Just a little because it's gonna be 104 degrees right now. And then by 3 p.m. it's gonna be 106 degrees. So I'm not trying to overdo it with the makeup because when it's hot, that's the last thing you want, is to feel like your face is like even gunkier than it already would have been with just your sweat. Just a little goes a long way. Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in 210 to basically just make my under eyes the same color as my skin. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. Okay. And since we're gonna do the latte makeup, which is very bronze, I do want to make sure that I actually apply a good amount of brightener on my under eye. That way I don't look washed out since I do have a deeper skin tone. So while this kind of like dries and sets or whatever, I am going to curl my lashes. So I'm going to use my NARS Light 2.6 Café con Leche for my under eye. So I'm just gonna basically put it everywhere to brighten it up so that there's some contrast between that and what I'm about to do to my eye, which is add a lot of bronze there. And everything is very minimal because I do want to have that no makeup look. And not just the no makeup look, but I want to feel like I'm not wearing makeup because like I said, we're gonna be in 3-digit weather today. So I definitely don't want to feel cakey. I wonder if I'm too far away. Let's get up close and personal. I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics concealer in 20 medium N. This is basically a brightener for me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right where I have my shadow. And I try to keep it like at the shadow line and above. Oh my God, it's so thick. Oh, I forgot to really tap it out. You see this side? I tapped it out. But this side, I gotta blend. Okay, I'm gonna start with putting gold in my waterline. Maybe in the future, fill in your waterline before you do your under eye concealer. If you watch my videos, you'll notice that I forget my waterline, I forget to line my waterline every freaking time. So do as I say, not as I do. We are gonna need some contour. Nothing too strong. We are going to actually use bronzer. So this one is a bronzer. This is from Stila Bronzed Gladiola. It's a weird name. Anyway, I'm gonna pat, pat, pat. And nothing too crazy. Okay, I'm annoyed because I was recording and it didn't record. So basically, you're gonna put this bronzer above your lid over here this way, like this, and then connect it like that. And then you're gonna use that same color and put it underneath your eye like this. So you make a smoky bronze eye. And then you're going to take Monaco Foiled Shadow in MAC. And you're going to just put it up here, like in the middle, like that. And then take that same color and put it down here. And put it all the way through over here. We're not messing around. We want to glow. Then take your gold eyeliner and put it over here. I'm also going to add some blush, of course. Okay. And put it on like this. Mascara. And then last but not least, we want to add color. So, let's do this pretty shimmery pink. It's Pink Satin 120 in color Sensational.